If you didn't get an answer, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will. Here is a basic monomial. There are many ways to find its derivative. The basic ones are the limit definition and the sum and difference rule. The trick you'll learn makes use of the sum and difference rule. The sum and difference rule says that if you have a monomial by itself, you can get its first derivative by multiplying the coefficient by the power and then subtracting the power by 1. We can extend this rule to the second derivative too. Multiply and then subtract. So we can keep doing this on and on for the derivative of any order. Feeling smart? Try this problem again. If you had more time, you could have repeated the sum and difference rule 16 times. Let's focus on the first monomial. Let's subtract the power by 16 and write all the multiplication that needs to be done. But there's a simpler way. Besides a coefficient you are multiplying each reducing power with, notice how all these powers are in descending order. It's predictable multiplication. It's factorials. Well, almost a factorial. Notice how it stops at 5. Doesn't go on to 1, like a factorial should. Everything seemed like it was almost coming together. Then I remember a thing called permutations, which we learn in grade 11. Since there's no guarantee many also learn permutations, here's a quick overview of them. It's a probability operator that is used to find all possible ways of arranging items. It looks like this, wherein is the bigger number that you select are many things from. But for the purpose of this video, all we care about is the fact that it can break factorials into splices. It breaks factorials by dividing them by other factorials. So you can cancel out the bottom factorial with parts of the above one. So here's that same monomial from the start. N will be the exponent and R will be the order derivative. So the 16th order derivative of that monomial will end up being this. And then we can find the 16th power derivative of that other monomial too. So the answer to this problem was this. That's it. We're done. If I get the chance to make a follow-up to this video, I want to talk about how we can make this trick even better using the gamma function. Here's a sneak peek. When I was in grade 12, I even made a little website that uses this gamma function trick to find you the derivative of any order. In fact, this gamma function improvement also allows you to find integrals. And technically you can use it to do fractional calculus too. Check out my website. Link is in description too.